So yes, I have 3 ASICS sneakers here, one under 5,000, one under 4,000, one under 3,000 rupees, and it is way less than you think. So yes, without wasting any of the time, let me show you the sneakers. What is up people, this is Ronit Kamble, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, today I am very much excited because all of the sneakers are fun, interesting, versatile. So why not, let's start with the most expensive one, but still it is under budget. But yes, this is the most expensive on the list, and then we'll go down the hill. So without wasting any of the time, let's go. So this is ASICS Japan S, a full white leather sneaker upper with hint of black on the ASICS logo on the side panel and on the back heel. The leather quality on this sneaker is really nice. The silhouette of the sneaker is very good. It is very versatile. You can rock this sneaker with ton of different outfits. You can rock this with straight fit pants, baggy fit pants, and you can go with shorts as well. This is a really nice lifestyle model from ASICS, and I personally like this pair, and most of the time this pair is very expensive, around 7,000, something like that. But right now on the Amazon sale, I got this pair for a great price. That is 4,199 rupees. That is 4,200 rupees. Around 4,000 rupees. This is a great steal, and this fits true to size. This is decent in comfort, and what else you want? Like, ASICS sneakers at this price is amazing. Moving towards the next sneaker on this list, and let's go. This is ASICS Tiger Runner 2, a full nylon canvas upper sneaker with hints of suede on the toe guard, back heel, and on the lace eyelet. The color palette of this sneaker is very interesting, that grey with that light saturated yellow, that is very interesting. I don't know how many of y'all will like it, but I feel this can be a very good college going sneaker, and that is my opinion. This is a very comfortable sneaker compared to any other sneaker on this list. This is a very lightweight sneaker compared to any other sneaker on this list, and this sneaker comes at a great price as well. You can get this particular sneaker for 3,500 rupees only. That is a great price. Also, yes, this sneaker fits true to size and is very comfortable, as I just said. Now we move towards the least expensive sneaker on our list, and that is, this is ASICS Classic CTS, a full synthetic leather upper sneaker in a very clean, minimal and sleek silhouette. This combination of navy blue and red goes very well, and it has that white bottom, and it totally adds that character to the sneaker. This is decent in comfort, fits true to size, and can be a very good office and college going sneaker. This color combination is very versatile, but personally, it is very difficult for me to style a navy blue sneaker. I don't know what it is, but in my opinion, I am not able to style navy blue sneakers or navy blue pants. It's a bit difficult to me. And now talking about the price on this, you can get this sneaker for 2,699 rupees. That is 2,700 rupees. And the Amazon UBS sale is live right now. You can get 50 to 80% off, and you should definitely check it out before it is gone. And also do let me know which is your favorite from this list, and if you want to check out top 3 Saucony sneakers, watch this video here. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.